In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change AdSense account on YouTube. We'll walk through switching the AdSense account that's linked to your YouTube channel, all from YouTube Studio with a quick handoff to AdSense. Start by signing into YouTube with the channel you want to update. It helps to use a private or single account browser session so you know you're in the correct Google account for the channel. Once you're on YouTube, click your profile icon in the top right corner and open YouTube Studio. In Studio, look at the left sidebar and select Earn, sometimes labeled Monetization. This is where all your YouTube partner program settings live. If your channel is eligible, you'll see the AdSense for YouTube program card. If you don't see it, double check you're on the right channel or that your channel meets the YouTube Partner Program requirements. Assuming you see the card, find the option to change the AdSense account and click the Change button. For security, Google will ask you to re-authenticate. Enter your password or complete the verification prompt. Make sure you're on a secure connection and only approve prompts you initiated. After that, you'll be redirected to AdSense. Here, choose the Google account that owns or will own the AdSense account you want to use with your channel. If you already have the new AdSense account set up, select it. If you don't, follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Keep in mind that AdSense generally allows only one account per payee, so choose the correct business or individual details when prompted. Next, you'll see a confirmation screen where your YouTube channel URL should be filled in automatically. Review that it matches your channel, then click Accept Association. This grants permission for your channel to send earnings to the selected AdSense account. When that's done, you'll be taken back to YouTube Studio. Give it a moment, then refresh the monetization page to confirm the new link. Sometimes it can take a short while to update across systems. Going forward, your channel's earnings will be routed to the newly linked AdSense account. If something looks off, verify you're signed into the right Google account, refresh your browser, or clear your cache and check again. That's it. You signed in, opened YouTube Studio, went to Earn, used the change option, re-authenticated, selected or created the appropriate AdSense account, confirmed the channel association, and returned to Studio to finish up. Follow these steps carefully and you'll have your AdSense account changed without a hitch.